Hello there, my fragrance lovers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm super excited. Can you tell? Yes, new fragrance. What is more exciting than new fragrances? Yes, we've got a new fragrance, and this is by none other than Miguel Matos. So this is a fragrance out of Italy. Yes, we are talking about Acampora's new Pompeii Red. Let's hear it after this intro. Welcome back. Yes, so I was sent this fragrance from the brand, so as you can see, and it's got my name on it. I've actually taken it out of the initial box where it was, so that's what we've got. So I haven't really looked what's inside as yet. I thought I share this experience with you. So going in, just opening the box. And yes, I've spoken about one of their award-winning fragrances, and that fragrance was also by Miguel Matos, and that is Young Hearts. So there's a lot of fragrances from this house. If you haven't checked them out, you should, because I can guarantee you're gonna find something you love. There's a vast range of fragrances, so do check them out, Acampora. And I'm gonna leave all their details for their website and their Instagram page down in the description, so have a look in the description too. So going in, oh okay, exciting, how lovely. We've got a whole bunch of samples in here as well. Oh, looks like we're gonna be talking about this for a while to come. Okay, we've got Primati, so I think I should have maybe, I will be talking about these. There's quite a few samples here. Azzurro di Capri, so we've got yeah, the tandem collection, so different collections. There's Cusa as well, so we're gonna have to, I think, go through these fragrances as well. Malum, that's quite interesting. Some of these I know just because I've looked them up before, so very exciting. And I think we've got some maybe feminine and some probably male fragrances, and we've got a few more. There's blue, there's Young Hearts as well. 44. Okay, right, I think I'm gonna put the samples to the side, because really I came on I wanted to open this, get into the new fragrance. I don't know if you can tell I'm talking quite fast, because I need to go and attend to something that needs my attention too. So anyway, okay, thank you very much for those samples. Looking forward to sample these, and we will be talking about this house. As you can see, a whole bunch of samples to get to. Right, moving along. Okay, this is what we all came for. So I see the presentation remains the same as from Young Hearts. So the house presentation, okay, it does say not for sale. Okay, we're not selling it on. So, and that is a solid box, so voila, nice, lovely, just beautiful presentation. Let's take the sleeve off, and okay, sleeve off. Okay, we've got, okay, there is a postcard in there. That's lovely. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, lovely. And this, oh, look at that. Don't you want to go to a place like this? I do. I haven't been anywhere for a year now, can you believe? And we've got, okay, there's a card as well about the fragrance. So, oh, lovely. Okay, and all those details. So okay, we're gonna look at it in a minute. Let's get to this. Okay, so you do get as well a book, so to speak, a notebook kind of thing, and this has details about their creation. So as you can see, it's a lot, and this book, it's in Italian and English from the, yeah, similar to the one. Okay, yes, so in this book we can find out about a whole range of fragrances that's in the collection. Thank you very much. So beautiful presentation, lots of effort gone in, and then that's where our fragrance is sitting. So let's take that off out of the box. Actually, let's put this away for now, so that we don't overwhelm ourselves. Let's put that over there, and voila. Okay, oh, there. That is our pompeiired, and this is the pure essence. Oh, okay. So this should be quite concentrated, I imagine. Should be. And this is an oil. Okay. Right, so look at that. And I've said about this presentation before. I'm gonna link the previous video I talked about this house in the description. Do check it out. So that is a tin. It's literally like, okay. Okay, let's get into this. The moment of truth. So look at that. Okay, just for presentation. And this is obviously pure essence, the oil. So, oh my gosh. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This is gonna be, obviously it's an oil, so it's gonna be a dab. Going in with my scissors. I couldn't find my smaller scissors, hence the big scissors, because somehow sometimes things do magically disappear out of my office. Having little children, it can't be helped. And guess what, when you ask where is this, everybody will tell you they don't know. Sometimes someone would even go as far as telling, I've never seen that in my life before. Okay, that done. Let's take this off. Okay, oh, we've got a bit of oil. Oh, okay, I'm gonna just spray it, just dab on there. And I think I need a little bit more. I can smell it already, actually. I can smell it already. Oh, I feel like I've put quite a bit. And obviously this being an oil, okay. Oh, okay. Can you see that? Look at that sheen, you guys. Wow. Okay. Lovely, isn't it? Oh, okay. Cinnamon does come forth. A bit of fruits, like it's got lemons. There's lemons. I know there's oranges in here, and I know there's white flowers because obviously I've seen posts about this, so I have an idea of what's in it. But that's quite interesting. There's a spiciness, a kind of a hot, warm spice. It's nice. It is nice. Oh, it's quite nice. There's something a little bit green, I feel, as well. Like something green. I don't know, like, I don't know. Maybe it's my nose, but I feel like there's almost like an hint of some greenness just lacking in the back. But that's obviously behind the zestiness of the orange and the lemon and the cinnamon as well. But you know, the cinnamon in here, it's more like that warm cinnamon. Imagine like maybe on a cinnamon tart, just warm. It's not like overly sweet. It's more like a bit warm, if that makes sense. And I know there's, I think, clove as well. Maybe that's what's giving it that hint of maybe the spiciness and just a bit of like warm, almost like hot. That's how I feel. But it is quite fruity as well. Yes, fruity. But you know what? The lemon and the orange in this, it's at the top, I know that. It's not how I would have expected it to be. I was expecting actually having that lemon and the orange at the top. I was expecting it to be a bit more citrusy. This doesn't feel like your usual like citrus, how you smell it and you're like, oh, citrus at the top. It's not. Even though you can smell the lemons in this and the orange, they're not like, I feel like this orange and lemon, they are not like, maybe they are more like the actual lemon smell or actual orange smell, where it's not like zingy, citrusy, zesty, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I feel. And the fruits are there, and getting hints of lily of the valley, and I know this is in there as well. Yes, some hints of lily on the valley at the back. And at this point it's just like fruity, warm, almost hot. That's how that I don't know. Yes, I feel like it's hot. It feels like it's hot, you know, like warm, hot. That's how I feel. Quite, it's lovely. Wow, let's go in. I'm gonna put a bit on my wrist over here as well. Just okay. Very nice. I think because this is a oil, it's not like projecting so much. Obviously you expect that oils always tend to sit closer to skin. It's not, and there's something else. I'm going back like right at the top. There's something else. Yes, like I said, there's like a greenness at the back. Quite interesting. I like it. I do like it. This is really nice. It's not really reminding me of things that I have. Like, I can't say I have this, but oh my gosh, I get that freshness at the back from the lily of the valley. And I know this has got some jasmine as well, but I'm not quite getting that at the minute. But this is quite interesting. Oh, this is changing quite a bit. Okay, very interesting. Very interesting. Be nice to kind of get to the dry down and see how this performs in the dry down, because I know there's other notes, there's other white flowers. I'm not sure. I think maybe there's even iris in here. I'm not picking it up, but I'm not sure. But I know there's some civet as well at the back, at the base. Okay, quite interesting. Let's look up the notes. This is really lovely. Definitely go out, try it. And you know what? I'm curious as well, like to try the spray, the EDP instead of the pure essence as well. See how would it smell. Okay. Yeah, quite lovely. So, okay. This is what we've got. So at the top we have orange mandarin, cinnamon and clove. At the mid we do have in the middle notes jasmine, carnation, lily of the valley, and at the base there is Peru balsam, vanilla, oak moss and civet. Okay, I'll be honest, at this point I'm not getting vanilla or any oak moss or civet at all. They probably would come later, so we'll give it a chance. Like I said, I need to attend to something. I'll be back in a minute. I'll leave it on for now and see how we carry on. I shall be back. So we are back. So I went off for about an hour, and now I'm getting some vanilla in the background, and there's the oak moss as well, but I'm not getting the civet as yet at this point, so I imagine that will probably come further down in the dry down. But so far it's gone beautifully. Those white flowers from the jasmine, from the we do have lily of the valley as well, and that beautiful freshness, that's what I'm getting. So lovely floral, gorgeous floral fragrance at this point. I'm loving this. So I've quite enjoyed so far the wearing of this, and I was just looking at the beautiful card that comes with Pompeiired, and as you can see there, we do have the house owner there, Bruno, and we do have Miguel there. We do have the notes listed in here as well. That is our Pompeiired. So I should undo this properly. So yeah, anyway, so that's our Pompeiired. So if you watched to the end, thank you so much for watching, and obviously I will talk some more about this fragrance once I've given it a thorough wear. Then I can tell you things about projection, etc., longevity, and it would be nice to wear it out as well. Then I can come back and give you my final thoughts on this fragrance. But so far it's a lovely fragrance, lovely, beautiful floral fragrance, and just gorgeous. And I think at this point we don't expect anything less from Miguel. We expect to be wild each time we try his fragrance. So thank you so much for watching. I shall be seeing you very soon. Do take care. Bye. Have a lovely day. Bye.